Stop using shaving stick to shave your beards, your armpits, your private part, or any sharp object to avoid being cut or having boils there. Instead, use this natural remedy to shave. How can you use it? Get Vaseline, original Vaseline, you apply it in a container, you take lime, cut out one lime like this, you squeeze out the juice, add it inside, turn it together. Pound onions, please don't add water, you just need the juice of the onions. You pound onions, you extract out the water, you add it inside the container, you mix together. Use it to rub it on your beard where you have hairs, or your armpit or your private part. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you go and wash it off. You will see how the place will be clean. Everywhere will be clean and fresh. Thanks for watching. Please share this video.